40 plus years that we've been in business, one of the things that has stood out the most for us, aside from the need to create a well-made product, is the importance of everyone who is involved, engaging with not only the immediate task at hand, but also the other people who are working with and depending on them for their own part in the process. From the very first component that gets stamped into a PCB to when the packing tape snaps on that shipping box, the aim is to bring awareness and consideration, not only to the product in hand, but to the way that what each of us does affects the next person in line. It's that anticipation and consideration of what comes next and how each of us affects the other that has really created the atmosphere necessary to adapt and adjust to whatever obstacles might show up. Even though the technical details of the instrument itself tend to be at the front of the line, we've also found that a solid understanding of how the individual influences the whole is a critical factor in the foundation of how things get created. I would go as far as to say it's the shared commitment to keeping that understanding in the forefront that has taken SEI from a small startup in the backwoods of Tennessee to an established manufacturer of radiation detection instruments. Regardless of the task, we have always tried to recognize the value that each role contributes to the greater picture. It can be anything from taking out the trash or mowing the lawn to quality control and final assembly, or even just the folding of a box. Every task has tremendous value, and if each one is approached and executed with that value in mind, then it allows all members to do their job confidently. When this confidence is generated, there's a momentum built that carries everyone. The result is one of challenge and reward. Challenges are inevitable, but when you have the momentum of everybody working together in this way, obstacles become surmountable and the rewards become tangible. In looking to foster an environment that welcomes this perspective, we've discovered how the quality of a process and the resulting product is inseparable from the strength of connection and engagement by the individuals who make it. Our commitment to this way of doing things is evident in the reliability of our instrumentation. The result of this approach is that our customers come away with a well-supported experience where they receive a well-designed, solidly built instrument that fits their situation and are provided with the assistance and service they need.